In this video, we'll go over the quality management component in population health. The ECQM report section allows you to review the measures you have chosen as well as your population for that measure. You also have the ability to create QRDA1 or QRDA Category 3 files for reporting. The first thing that a practice needs to do for quality reports is to set up the preferences. Without preferences set, you will not see any CQMs on the report. Click on the cogwheel in the upper right. In the Preferences section, click on the Quality Measures option on the left. In this screen, you want to select the measures you wish to report on. Simply check the box to the right of the measure to select it. You can also set goals for the practice here as well. For example, for MIPS in 2018, you are required to report on 6 measures, and you must be above 60%. So best practice would be to set your goal at 61%. Click Save when done. After your measures have been set, you can return back to the ECQM Reports section. The system will automatically update your numbers for the current year. This is based on the reporting year. On this screen, you will see the measures chosen at the bottom of the screen with filtering options at the top. By default, the report will run for the current year for the entire practice. You can change any of the filtering options by clicking on the field and select the appropriate information. Once the filters are selected, click Run. The results of the report will show below. You can see the measure description and then the data for that measure to the right. You have a progress bar, your percentages for that measure, initial patient population, the denominator, exclusions and exceptions, the numerator, and outliers. Each number can be drilled down to look at the specific patients that make up that number. Just click on the number to see the cross-section. You can filter to any other cross-section at the top of the page. You can also export a QRDA1 file, export a measure summary, or a patient list just by clicking the buttons at the top right. If you have questions on how to complete a specific measure, you can click on the question marks icon next to the measure number. This will open up the measure details for that specific CQM. To go back to the report, click the Measure Summary link at the top of the screen. On the main screen, you can export a QRDA Category 3 report for attestation for various government incentive programs. Just click the button. You can export the file as a whole group or by individual. If you have any questions or are looking for more individualized help, please reach out to your support person today.